Several lawmakers were dismayed by the absence of most social media vloggers whom they invited to the first public hearing of the House Tri-Committee on the spread of fake news and disinformation in the country. Personalities, or out of the 41 personalities summoned by the joint panel, only 3 showed up. Because of this, the Tri-Committee has issued show cause orders to the vloggers who failed to appear, including attorney Trixie Cruz Angeles, who may also face a disbarment case. Meanwhile, instead of going to the House of Representatives, Angeles' group was spotted at the Supreme Court, or SC, filing a petition against the Tricom.
Itong mga to, ang tatapang nila eh. Ang tatapang sa pagmumura, nang wala tayong kalaban-laban. Ngayon, pag kaharap dito, hindi makaharap dito. Oo. Eh, mga takot din pala yung mga yan eh.